Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, I'm going to show you how to part a chicken. When you buy your chicken parts, you're paying a premium, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper to part your own chicken. And I use the scraps to make chicken broth. So, first thing we're going to do is you're going to find the space here in between the thigh and the body, and just cut it open. And you can see the joint right here, and you're just going to go along the body. Okay, and you have your chicken leg. Now if you look on the chicken leg, you can see this fat line right there. So all you need to do is take your knife and go along that fat line. It's just all mapped out for you. So there you have your leg and your thigh. All right, next is the wing. And I just kind of pick it up like this and go cut right toward the carcass. And you can see the bone, right? Just let it hang. And there's your wing. And what I do with the wing tips is I just cut along there, and that gets saved for chicken stock. So same thing on this side. You got your chicken wing and your wing tips for your chicken stock. All right, let's do the other thigh. Same thing. Just kind of pull it back. Cut along the body. Again, follow the map. Okay, see that line? And there's your thigh. Okay. Separate the breast. I just go along the bottom here to the ribs. Okay, cut all the way down, and you just peel that back, and you'll expose these bones. Okay, that goes for chicken stock. And for the breast, just go along the breastbone. All the way down till you hit the bone. And you're just going to peel it back. And there you have your boneless chicken breasts. And you're almost paying twice as much when you buy it already boned out. And here you have your chicken tender, whatever you want to do with that. Okay, again, the other side, just find that backbone. Okay, just cut down along the carcass. And here you have your boneless chicken breast. Okay, folks, there you go. Here's our chicken, stuff for chicken stock, the carcass. Got legs, thighs, wings, minus the winglets, and your breasts. Very simple. Okay, now stay tuned. I'll do another video of how I make chicken stock with an Instapot.